Alright guys, back with the update. Got all the old floor out, got her all cut out. Got a little cleaning to do and get these little spot welds. I don't know if y'all can see them. Get all these guys ground down. Got the pan pretty much laid in there, ready to go. So I don't know, it's pretty late. It's like 2 in the morning right now, so get up moving tomorrow. I'll get this in because we gotta have this shit done by Monday. I gotta go to work. So alright guys, we'll get back with you once we're welding some shit back up in this little piece of crap. So y'all take it easy. What's up guys, back here the old XJ. We got her all cleaned up, all the metal all cleaned up. About to lay the pan down in here and see what happens. There. So all right guys, I'll get back with y'all once we start tacking her in here. All right guys, back in here getting it welded up. Old jack here up against the dash to push the floor all the way down against the frame weld down there. You can see my buddy down there welding it right now. So we're gonna stitch weld her on the bottom. And we ain't got no gas, we ain't got no fancy welder. We got flux core, so it's gonna look a little shitty. Hold on, what's up?
Where's that jack at? Is it more to over here on this side?
No. It's more over to the other side, the outside. But yeah, we got that rigged up so we can do that. And
is your jacket just a hair more?
How much more?
Are you moving it?
A little bit.
I can move it with my damn hand.
Alright, hold on guys, we'll get back with you. Hold on.
Above the slit, here we go.
Yeah.
And the slit. That can be done too, right?
Mm-hmm. What's up guys, back here. Alright, we got the pan all welded in, all welded down the frame, all the way up in there. Where's that light at? Maybe see if we can see. You can't really see it. But got it welded all the way up in there. So now we're working on making this seat support. That's all rusted out. broken. Sorry about the lighting. Got dark on us. So we're making that right now and gonna weld something together and get that back in here. I'll show you what it looks like when we're done. Alright guys, well, got the pan all installed in there. So next step's gonna be get all the seam sealer, get it all cleaned up, put some seam sealer down. That'll probably be the next video. We went all the way there. Had to build a new seat bracket. If y'all can see that or not. Not done with it. Still got a little bit more welding to do. But otherwise, pan's in there. Came out pretty decent, so not too bad. Alright guys, I'll get back with y'all, I guess, on the next video when we're laying some seam sealer down and see how it comes out after it's painted and everything. Alright y'all, take it easy. Like and subscribe and share if y'all want. Take it easy.